Hi guys, welcome to the second video in the series Learning Python. In our previous video, we have learned about basics of Python like keywords, identifiers, etc. In this video, we are going to learn about operators. Now, operators are special symbols which are used to perform some operation on the operands and generates a value as a result of the operation performed. Python has following type of operators: arithmetical operators, relational or comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. As per the syllabus of class 10th, we will be covering arithmetical operators, relational or comparison operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. Let's start with arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators are symbols which are used to perform mathematical operations on the operands. Following are the mathematical operators. Addition. Now plus symbol is used to add two operands. That means if x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20, x plus y will result in 30. Subtraction operator. Subtraction operator, that is hyphen, is used to subtract one operand from another. That is, if x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, then x minus y will result in minus 10. Multiplication operators. Multiplication operator multiplies two operands. Asterisk symbol is used to perform the multiplication operator in computers. So if x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, then x into y result in 200. Divide operator. Oblique symbol is used to perform the division operation. It divides one operand from another. If x is equal to 25, y is equal to 10, then x divided by y will result in 2.5. Modulo operator. Modulo operator obtains remainder of the division operation. If x is equal to 10, y is equal to 3, then x percent y will result in 1. The 1 is obtained as a remainder when you divide 10 by 3. Double asterisk symbol, it is used to calculate exponent and it is called exponent operator. It calculates the power. If x is equal to 10, then x asterisk 2 results in 100. Double oblique symbol, it is used to perform floor division, so it is called floor division operator. Now floor division operators obtains the floor value after performing a division. So for example, if you divide 25, double oblique symbol 10, that means floor division is performed. You divide 25 by 10 using floor division operation, then you will get 2 as a result, which is the floor value of 2.5. You will not get 2.5. Relational or comparison operators. Relational or comparison operators are used to perform comparison between two operands. Following types of comparisons can be performed between two operands. The first one is less than operation. Less than operator is used to check whether the operand on the left hand side of the operator is less than the operand on the right hand side of the operator. If the operand on the left hand side is less than the operand on the right hand side, then the expression returns a true. Otherwise, it will return a false. Just have a look at the example. In this example, we are entering two values, x and y. So if 10 is entered in X and 5 is entered in Y, then X less than Y will return in false because X is 10 and Y is 5. In the second case, if 10 is entered in X, 20 is entered in Y, then X less than Y will return a true. In third case, if 10 is entered in X and 10 is entered in Y, then both the values are equal. So X less than Y will again result in false because both the values are equal. Less than or equal to operator. Less than or equal to operator check whether the operand on the left hand side of the operator is either less than or equal to the operand present on the right hand side of the operator. If the operand on the left hand side is either less than or equal to operand on the right hand side, then the expression returns a true. Otherwise it will return a false. So in this example, again we are entering values for X and Y. In first case, X is 10, Y is 5. That means X is greater than 5. So X less than or equal to Y will result in false. In second case, X is 10 and Y is 15. That means X is less than Y, hence X less than or equal to will result in true. In third case, X is 10 and Y is 10. X less than or equal to, so in this case X and Y are equal to each other. So again X less than or equal to operation is resulting in true. Now third one is greater than operator. To check whether the operand on the left hand side of the operator is greater than the operand on the right hand side of the operator. If the operand present on the left hand side of the operator is greater than the operand present on the right hand side of the operator, then the expression is going to result in true. Otherwise it will return false. So in this example, again X and Y is taken as input. In first case, X is 10, Y is 5. So X is greater than Y. The expression X greater than Y is going to return true. In the second case, X is 10 and Y is 10. Both are equal. So X greater than Y will result in false. In the third case, X is 10, Y is 20. So X is lesser than Y. And again X greater than Y will result in false. Now greater than or equal to operator. Greater than or equal to operator checks whether the operand present on the left hand side of greater than or equal to operator is either greater than or equal to the operand present on the right hand side of the operator. If the operand on the left hand side is either greater than or equal to the operand present on the right hand side, then the expression will result in true. Otherwise it is going to result in false. So again taking the example of X and Y. In first case, X is 10, Y is 5. So X is greater than Y. It results in true. In second case, X is 10 and Y is also 10. Both are equal. Again, the condition X greater than equal to Y is resulting in true. In third case, X is 10, Y is 15. Now X is lesser than Y and the result will be false. Equal to operator. Look carefully, double equal to symbol is used to perform equality operation. Now equal to operator checks whether the operand present on the left hand side of equal to operator is exactly equal to the operand present on the right hand side of the operator. If the operand present on the left hand side is equal to the operand present on the right hand side, then the expression returns a true. Otherwise it will return a false. So taking the example of x and y, in first case x is 10, y is 10, both are exactly equal to each other, the result is true. In second case x is 10, y is 15, that means x is lesser than y, the result is false. In third case x is 10, y is 5, now x is greater than y, the result is again false. Not equal to operator, exclamation sign and equal to sign is used together to perform not equal to operation. Now not equal to operator checks whether the operand on the left hand side of the operator is not equal to the operand present on the right hand side of the operator. If the operand on the left hand side is not equal to the operand on the right hand side, then the expression will return a true, otherwise it is going to return a false. So again the example of x and y, in first case x is 10, y is 5, both are not equal to each other, so the result is true. In the second case x is 10, y is 15, the value of y is greater, again they are not equal, so the result is true. In the third case x is 10, y is 10, both are equal to each other, the result is false. Now moving on to the next category of operators, that is logical operators. Logical operators are used to perform logical operations between operands. Now in logical operators, on the both side of the operands, we can use comparison operators, we can use conditions, we can use expressions. There are three types of logical operators in Python. The first one is AND operator. If operands or expressions present on the left hand side and right hand side of AND operator are true, then only the result of AND operation is true. Otherwise, the result of AND operation is false. To verify this statement, let us open the IDLE of Python and check whether it holds true or not. I'm going to open IDLE. So the IDLE has opened up. Now let's check this statement and operation and logical operation. So let's say the first expression that I write is 5 greater than 6, which is I know is false, and 6 greater than 5, which I know is true. I've used AND operation in between these two expressions, and you can see we have used the comparison operators on both the sides of logical operator AND. When I press enter key, the result will be false because the operand on the left hand side of the AND operator is false. Now let's take another example. 5 less than 6 and 10 greater than 5. Both the operands are true. When I press enter key, the result will be true. So for AND logical operator, the operands on both sides of the AND operator must evaluate to true so that the final expression is true or the final result is true. Let's move on to next logical operator, that is OR. Now OR logical operator requires only one operand present either on the left hand side or right hand side to be true. If any one operand is true, then the result of the whole expression is true. If both the operands are false, then only OR operator results in false. So let's check. In ideally, I'll type again 5 less than 6, which is true. This time I'm going to use OR operator. 6 less than 5. Now the second operand is false. You can see 6 is not less than 5, it is greater than 5. But I'm using OR operator in between 5 less than 6 and 6 less than 5. So left hand side portion of this expression, this complete condition or this complete operation is true. 5 less than 6 is true, whereas 6 less than 5 is false. So one part is true, one part is false, and the result is going to be true. Now if I write 5 greater than 6, which is false, or 6 less than 5, this is also false. In this case, both the operands are false and the result is going to be false. So AND operator requires all the operands to be true, whereas OR operator requires any one of the operand to be true so that the result can be true. Moving on to the next operator, logical operator, that is not logical operator. Now not logical operator is a unary operator. Unary operator means it operates only on a single operand. So far all the operators that we have seen, they were operating upon two operands, but not logical operator operates only on single operand. It inverts true to false and false to true. That means if the result of an operation is true and not logical operator is applied on that operation, then the result will be false. It inverts the decision, it inverts the truth value. If the result of an operand in an operation is false and not logical operator is applied on it, then it will invert it to true. So again, let's check what do we mean by this. So I said 5 greater than 6. This operation is false. 5 is not greater than 6. So if I apply not operator on it, not 5 greater than 6, 5 greater than 6 is false. When not is applied on 5 greater than 6, then the result will be true. So false is converted into true. Now if I apply not operator on 5 less than 6, 5 less than 6 is true, not is applied on true, it will convert it into false. So this is how not operator inverts the truth value. It inverts true to false and false to true. In the last segment, assignment operators and augmented assignment operators. Assignment operator use single equal to sign. Previously we have seen equal to operator which was using double equal to sign, and their equal to operator was comparing the two operands. But here the single equal to operator is used to assign the value to a variable. The value is assigned from right hand side of the operator to the left hand side to a variable. So on the right hand side of the operator, you can have a value, you can have an expression, you can have another variable containing certain value. So in all the cases, the values from the right hand side will be assigned to the variable present on the left hand side. For example, x is equal to 10. 10 is a value which is assigned to the variable x. 10 is present on the right hand side of the operator, x is present on the left hand side of the operator. X is a variable, so 10 is assigned to x. In example, y is equal to 20. So value 20 is assigned to y, which is a variable. Third example, z is equal to x plus y. Now x plus y is an expression. In this expression, the value of x and the value of y is added and the result is assigned to z, that is 30. Augmented assignment operators. Now what is the role of augmented assignment operator? It is a kind of compact assignment operator. It is a compact form of assigning values generated from such expressions where the variable itself is participating in the expression. Which variable? The variable which is taking the value, to whom the values are being assigned. That variable itself is participating in the expression which is present on the right hand side of the operator. For example, x is equal to 20. To increment the value of x by a factor of 10, what will we do? We'll write x is equal to x plus 10. That means in the existing value, that is 20, an additional value 10 will be added. The result is generated as 30 and that 30 will be assigned to x again. This expression can be written in a compact form. How can it be written? X plus equal to 10. This is equivalent to x is equal to x plus 10. So the value of x, that is 20, will take an additional value 10. The 10 is added to 20 in the existing value of x and will be assigned to x again. X minus equal to 10. So in the existing value, that is 20, 10 is subtracted from the 20. A fresh result is generated 10 and 10 is assigned to x. X into equal to 10. So in the existing value 20, 10 is multiplied and the result is assigned to x. X divide equal to 6. So 20 is divided by 6 and the result 3.3 is assigned to x. X modulo 9. X modulo equal to 9. In the existing value of x, that is 20, it is divided by 9 and the remainder 2 is assigned to x. X asterisk equal to 2. So 20 will be raised to the power of 2 and result 400 is assigned to x. X oblique 8, that is floor division. So 20 is divided by 8 and the floor division result, that is 2, will be assigned back to x. So this augmented assignment operator can be used with any arithmetical operator, provided the variable present on the left hand side of the operator is participating in the computation of the expression which is present on the right hand side of the operator. So that is all for now. This is all about operators according to, like I said, according to class 10th CBSE Artificial Intelligence Syllabus. Will be covering till this portion. For rest of the operators, another video will be released. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell icon so that whenever I release a fresh video, you get the notification immediately. Thank you.